Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX. So this is our weekly analysis, weekly outlook on currency pairs and commodities and cryptocurrencies, and rest of them. So I would like to like this video, subscribe, share this video with your friends, and also join our Telegram channel where you get an update on when and how trade is going. Thank you. Okay, let's start with Saver. This is Saver. So the other time we analyze saver from this very place to this very place, and this saver has reached on a correction point. We've not correct. Wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five. So we're expecting a correction to this very point. Correction to this very point. And our stop loss should be here. This is invalidation level for this 5-wave structure. So we're expecting a correction here. So by Monday, there may be a more down movement from here, maybe come up here and drop below here, or even it will come up like this, come up this very place, or a drop below here, or even came here for a start buying. So that is all for silver. So, but I'm not selling silver. I will not be selling. I can only start selling when the trade break this very level. Then I know that the buying is over. So now start looking for sell opportunity. But right now, I'll be looking for buying opportunity until I get to this yellow line up there. That's when I will stop buying. That's whatsoever. Next pair is Great Britain Australian dollar. As I said last time, this is a 5-way structure started here. This is A, this is B, and it's coming to do C. Once the C is achieved, here. Sorry, I want to move. Once the C is achieved here, once the C is achieved here, then I can start buying from here down. It's a very long trade to this very point. This is my target. So it's going to be a very long-term trade. Just wait and then wait for the C to complete. Once it's completed, then we can think of buying it. You understand? Just have patience for the C. Patience is needed in this forex trading. A very patient is needed. A very great deal of patience is needed for to make it here. So let's wait for it. That is all for Great Britain. Good. Network is very, very bad. Okay, good. Like I said the other day, I expected gold to drop to this very level before I will start buying. When you look at the gold, discover that you have done wave one, wave two, which is three, and it's going to do four. Before five, it's trending inside channel. So it stayed inside channel. So I expected it to do something like this when it's come there. We buy, it came here, then it drop again here before another buy, or it'll drop again and release. I'm very short of this place. So this buy is very important to me. So I'm looking at it. I may sell good on Monday. I may sell good from here. I may sell it if I see a good sales structure. I'll sell it from here and drop it here. That's how I'll sell it by Monday. If I see a good setup in lower time frame, I'll sell it to this very place and collect the profit to this very level. So that is for good. DSY network having some network challenges. That's why it's keeping this thing like this. Okay, DSY, there's two possibilities and DSY. Two possibility in DSY. Look at it. The first one is possibility of coming up here. When we look at this is an impulse wave. This place is an impulse. So this value place is an impulse wave. This. So this is going to be a correction. Look at this. This can be a correction A, and this one. Let me use this. A, B, and C before it's a. This can be a correction A, B, C for a C. And also, but I expected to go due to the fundamental issues of US dollar. I expected it to come up here and drop here before a bar. What are the fundamental issues? There's going to be a US dollar central bank. It's going to cut rate by September. So that cutting of rate issue has made dollars to become so weak and expected to weak further until that day they will do the needful. So that's all for DSY. This thing going to be long. Okay, this is Euro US dollar. Well, US dollar is an opposite of DSY. It's an Euro US dollar. It's an opposite of the US dollar. So I expected the Euro US dollar to go up in this channel. But looking at the development that is coming up, we may see a drop here. A drop here. How can we identify the drop? If you go down to 4 hours, let's identify the drop. We go down to 4 hours or 1 hour chart. Let me check 1 hour. One hour. Network is very, very bad. I don't know why. Okay, you can see in 1 hour, once the market break this level, once this market comes down here from this place, from this very and break this level, then forget about buying usually again. We'll be thinking about selling. Once this market break this level, forget about buying. The buying is over. We'll start thinking of selling US dollar, selling it to where selling is going to be a very long sell. Selling to this very level, this very point. That's 1.04. That's their target. So that's all for Euro US dollar. Euro Great Britain. I think I analyzed this pair. The video is still there in my YouTube channel. You can go and look for it. Euro Great Britain. So I will not waste much time here. Let me go for another one. Don't want the video to be long because of this network. Something. Okay. Euro Great Britain. Great Britain US dollar. Great Britain US dollar. The same similar something is going on. I started to come up this value point to do 3, 4, and 5. But looking at what is happening now, there is possibility. Once the market break this level, this separation line, then I will sell it to this very point. Once the market come from here, break this line, and come up here, I will sell to here. Once the market break this line, then selling continues. But if market correct, I see a correcting pattern here, and I will buy to up. That is all for AUD. AUD USD. AUD US dollar. AUD is on a long-term buy trade. There is nothing to say here. You can only see a correction and continue buying. It's a long-term buy trade because they have completed collection here. This is wave 1, this is 2, this is another 1, this is another 2. They are waiting for 3. 4 and 5. So it's going to be a very long-term buy trade. It's going to be a very long-term buy trade. So I'm not on each letter. I'm looking for a bigger correction to join the wave. The same thing goes to this counterpart, New Zealand, US dollar, the same thing. When we look at this New Zealand, US dollar, I discover that it has already breaking the trend line. Look at the trend line. It's already break up away from the trend line. Looking at the strength of this break, you know that it's coming to this level. So what will I do? I will look for a correction. Once I get a correction, I'll enter and I'll hold it 2 weeks, 3 weeks to get to this level. That is all for look at it. Yeah, corrected and this is 1, this is 2, this is 1 of 3, this is 2 of 3. We're looking for 3 of 3 here. So this one already done inside the 1, 2. So looking for a correction. Once I get it here, I will buy it this very point. It's all for it. Sorry. This is the other. So which one is this one? Let's walk. Just messing up my this thing. So let me leave this one first. This one I've already completed what I wanted to do. So let's look at US dollar Japanese yen. Dollar Japanese yen. So we are still on do, but I want to show you something. Let me check the chart. I want to show you something from this chart concerning US dollar Japanese yen, because it might see a bigger correction more than we ought to see, or more than we are thinking. Look at it here. So we may see a correction like this in this US dollar Japanese yen, because the way it's coming up is like you have A, B, and then C before it drops. So once the market breaks this very level, once it breaks this very level, then you know that it's going to correct from this very level. But right now, it can still drop from here. It can still go up to this place and then drop from here and continue. But this very level, once it breaks this very level, then forget about selling until it comes here. Once it comes here, start looking for a sell opportunity, then sell to very downside. That is all for that guy. Same thing goes to the US Great Britain yen. Great Britain yen. Looking at it, let's look at it on that daily time frame. You can see where it's going. You can see Great Britain yen. You can see where it's coming to drop on this trend line. So I expect it to correct to this very level, then drop to this trend line. So that is wait till the correction is complete. It's going to take some time. It takes like 2 weeks before the correction gets complete. But wait. The best thing is to wait for the correction, then trade this impulse. This impulse is going to get sweeter. Trade it from there to here. It's going to be a very huge player. Bitcoin is coming down as expected. So I told you guys that Bitcoin is going to come this very level for final movement. Final bearish movement is this one, the last leg of the Y structure is this. So expect Bitcoin to drop to 43, but that drop is not going to stay there. Going to be a sharp drop like this one. Sharp drop. You're going to drop and move back in because many orders are already there. Many big orders, billionaires orders are already there. So don't expect it to stay there. You're going to drop immediately. And okay, this one is going up. This is Great Britain shift. You're going to drop a little bit, then continue. Something like this, then the buying continues. That's what you're going to see here. That is all for this one. This one is selling. S&P is not corrected and still going up. NASDAQ I expected it to drop to correct to this level and then start buying it to this very level. The video is still on this list. Okay, it's still going up. We have not missed the fifth wave, so you can still get it. So what again? Tom. I think I shared a picture of Tom the other day. This is Tom. Tom is a Telegram coin, Telegram contract coin. All this Telegram app now used to do a drop. So Tom is expected to come to $3.07 before it moves up again. Solana, the same thing. Solana is already dropping. Look at Solana. Even though I have some Solana here, I would have waited to buy it from here, but I didn't know. I already bought it before I discovered that it's going to come down. Solana is coming down here, and put your buy limit. That is $90, $95, $93, $99, $100. Anyway, I just put your buy limit and was spot trader. So and then buy. That is all, guys. I think that is all for today. Thank you guys for listening. Remember to share this video, subscribe to our channel, join our Telegram channel, and get the details. We're analyzing it each week and how we're going to enter each week and make profit from this pairs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye for now.